Bali is more than beaches and rice terraces. It's a living culture, spiritual, artistic, and deeply rooted in tradition. Here, every moment means something, and some experiences you'll only find on this island of the gods. Let's explore 5 unforgettable ways to connect with the real Bali. The Balinese cooking class isn't just about food, it's about heritage. Shop in a buzzing local market, cook beside a village matriarch, and taste centuries of tradition in every bite. Take part in a melukat ceremony, where sacred spring water is believed to purify karma and clear the spirit. It's not a tourist show, it's a genuine spiritual journey, and one you'll never forget. Sit with a master woodcarver in a quiet village and learn an ancient craft shaped by gods, nature, and myth. From barong masks to temple guardians, every chip tells a story. As the sun dips below the ocean, Bali's spirit comes alive in fire and sound. The kakek dance isn't just performance, it's storytelling through breath, movement, and myth. Feel the heat, hear the chants, get lost in the legend of Ramayana. If you're lucky, you'll stumble into a local Odalan or Galungan celebration. It's here, among the offerings, music, and devotion, that you'll witness Bali's true heartbeat. This isn't for tourists, it's for the gods, and you're welcome to observe and even join with respect. Bali isn't just a destination, it's a way of life. Let Travelco Holidays guide you into the heart of Balinese culture, where food, faith, and art connect you to something deeper. This is travel that transforms, and it starts right here.